Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. I am so excited to share some embellishments I'm created for Christmas. I can't believe Thanksgiving's passed and here we are full bloom in almost December. So I've been crafting and been busy, but I wanted to come back and show you what I've created. And let's get started. I have like stuff all over the place, so I'm going to do my best to show you everything in detail. So I have this old die from Sizzix, and let me just show you what the die is. I got it from Tuesday Morning many moons ago, and I had the idea to create a shaker with this. So at first I started off with just cutting felt and some really pretty glittered, what is that called? That glittered faux leather, and I just backed it on 110-pound cardstock and then felt, and then just did a little seam binding scene just to give it a little bit of a shabby look to it, right? And that's cute. And then I have this extremely hard acetate, and since this was a Biggs die, I thought this was the perfect opportunity to cut this really fun shaker. So I created this one, and then I did an all acetate one so you can kind of see inside. I thought that was really fun with the faux leather. And then here's another one that I created. I love these flowers that I make. I think they're the best poinsettias in my opinion. And I went with a more traditional-ish route with the red sequins. And I love this. And if you could find this die, I honestly think it is such a great... I love candy cane dies. I probably have so many. And you'll see them again. I created a couple of different candy canes. So I have here the shaker envelopes that I did create with Valentine's Day earlier in the year, and I wanted to create one in a felty one for Christmas. So I love this one, and I am using that Coco and Reno, that ruffle die. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's so cute, and it really just makes the perfect little ruffle banner. And I think I can score it, I can do all that stuff, but I don't know, I'm just lazy, and I just wanted to do it the easy way. And I love how these came out. And let's see what else. Oh, here are the candy canes I was talking about. This was an old one. I think this is a My Creative Time candy cane. And I just took some acetate and that Target spot, those little pockets, those sticky pockets. And I just added it here so I could just add this to some mail. I love how those came out. I did cut them out in different colors. I did a little more traditional one. Let's see what else I have here. I could have sworn I had some other ones. Maybe I've packed them away in my Happy Meal already. But again, I love those little ruffles. Coco and Reno ruffles. They are amazing. I love them so much. They're so easy. And they make the perfect little accents. I have this little box here. I'm not going to show you the lid because I have it all like decorated. But I did create these adorable snowflake felt bows. And these are some In Love Art bows. But I love this pink, what is that called? Felt. It's a really pretty felt, and I did get this from Hobby Lobby. It's like the premium one, so it's a little bit more high quality. In here, I just have my pixie dust designs, the shaker tags, and then again, like I said, this is my all-time favorite. This is the Heartfelt Creations poinsettia mold, and it's my favorite. I honestly come to it every year. I just love it so much. I created them in different colors. Yeah, they're just stunning. They're gorgeous. And then I have some little shaker, what do you call those, snow globes? Those are little mini ones that I created. I also created them in large ones, and I did design these with my Cricut. So I made them with my Cricut. And I decorated them fairly simple. I just designed them, and then I did use an embossing folder. This is an old Sizzix one that I use as the layering base. I just love the design on it. And then I use this really dainty little pom-pom shrimp, really fun mix of sequins. And I'm using, this might be Santa Baby paper. I mixed a lot of the Prima paper because they're all similar. Yeah, I did pop them on foam going forward. I kind of like the dimension on that. So, love this. Of course, it's pastel. And then I created more Cricut ornaments. I took this really fun candy, what is that called? Nutcracker paper. This is from the Christmas Markle. And I did back it and just did a lot of sewing and really pretty sequins. I did the little gold tops on both sides so I can finish it nicely. And this one is a more of a bell shaped. Again, finished on the back and front so you can see it from both sides. I absolutely love them. I also created this little house, you guys. I've been obsessed with the sugar cookie houses or just Christmas houses in general. Yeah, this one I did do little pearl accents on the side. Did a 1x1. Some of them got a little smushed, but I love the little details on it, and I apologize in advance for my nails. It's a little overdue. And I just love decorating this little box. This is an old Spellbinders die. And again, it's so cute, so small and adorable. Let me see. I also did a little paper piecing. This is a KS Craft die. And I wanted to create a couple of nutcrackers. And, you know, these things take time and just kind of like mind power because you have to figure out the layers. But once you get the gist of it, it's just so easy and fun and kind of therapeutic to just, you know, just paper piece. And then, let me see, I have a couple of other little die cuts that I put together. These are this, it's an old die that I got last year from Frank Garcia when I was in LA. I went to the store and I picked up this, I think it's a Mintopia die. Just love the little layering pieces. And then I created some little candy canes. This is from Pixie Dust. It's in one of the packs. I just thought this was a little cute little thing that I can add into Happy Mail. And I think that is it for now. I'll be back with some project shares, you guys. I created a bunch of stuff. I've been busy. I just haven't been on to share or take pictures because I've been so busy and I'm just surviving. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope everyone is crafting away for the holiday season, and I can't wait to show you my finished products. I hope everyone had a lovely Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.